Hey, what's up guys, it's Malcolm, and today I'm going to show you something real quick. And what I'm going to teach you today is how to use Google Chrome in order to play any audio from YouTube in the background while you're using your phone. So this is what you do. So quickly head on to Google Chrome. Let it load for a while. And then quickly type in www.youtube.com. And then depending on your internet connection, it will load. So once it loads, do not play any video yet. So the next step is to tap on these three buttons on the right upper hand corner. Yes, on these three buttons, sorry. Tap on it and then quickly head on to the desktop site option and then tick it. And then as you can see, it will load for a while. Yet again, depending on your internet connection. So let's wait and see if it will load. And while it loads, for the football fans out there, which team would you like to see lifting the trophy? As a national fan, of course, it would be a really amazing thing to see lifting the trophy. So to see the Gunners lifting the trophy, like we haven't done this in 19 years, and I'd really like to see us lift the trophy. So let's back to the video. As you can see, it depends on the internet connection you have. Like mine is not that strong enough, but it's loading. So yeah. And then once it loads, type in the video that you like to watch or hear in the background, the music. So let's say that I like to hear some Billie Eilish. You can block the notifications if you want and then cancel this one and then type in Billie Eilish. It does this. My favorite song from Billie Eilish is definitely Lovely, so let's look for it. If it's not here, I'll just type in any video. So it's currently not. It's just in the top half on the search bar. Okay, yeah, it is. So just tap on the video that you like to hear while you're using your phone. Let's see. You can minimize the screen if you want to. Okay.
Wow, thank you for your time. How juicy.
Juicy. Okay. Just get out of the Google Chrome app, and as you can see, this is the notification you'll get while you've gotten out of the app. So let's say that I'd like to use something like the any app that I'd like to use, let's say messaging or even WhatsApp. So let's get to WhatsApp, and then of course type in, like, let's say that I'd like to type something to anyone. Like this is me, of course. Like WhatsApp has given you the feature to talk to yourself, so this is what I'll use. And let's say that I like to use it. I'll just press here play. Yeah, that's simply it. Due to the copyright restrictions and whatever, of course, I won't play the old song, but I hope that you've gotten the general idea on how to use the Google Chrome app in order to play music in the background. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.